So we're going to make some fried rice today with some pork. I'm using belly pork. We've got some lovely veg in it. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is I've got some brown basmati. You can use white rice if you want, but I've got some brown one there. And I've cooked that like 80% of the way. It's got a little bite to it still. Drained it off. About 2 to 3 cups there. Roughly equal in volume of pork. Now I'm using belly pork. You can use a different type of pork if you want. That's actually 400 grams. And then I'm going with onion, broccoli, bell peppers, and again you can see they're roughly the same amount in volume. There's about a cup of each. A nice heaped teaspoon there of chopped ginger. If you wanted, add garlic, and then on the right hand side I've got some soy. Now this soy is a light soy, use dark if you want. There's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Really simple and delicious. Okay, so I've got a wok here with some oil in it. I'm just using some sunflower oil. You could use sesame if you want. Now, this is an actual wok. Usually you see me cooking something that looks like a wok, but this is an actual wok, which means it's really thin, so it's going to heat up really quickly. We're going to start off by dropping in our belly pork, which is, I said, 400 grams. And I've cut it nice and chunky. You can cut it quite a lot smaller if you want. So on a fairly high heat, I'm going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. See you then. Now, if you've got a really kind of fatty belly of pork, you're going to get a load of fat out of that as it cooks. This is actually fairly lean. So if you've got loads of fat from that, I mean, sometimes when I cook it with a lower quality, it's swimming in it, so I'd have to drain some off, you know. So, but this is good. But we're going to go in now with that tablespoon of ginger. And like I say, if you wanted, you could be adding garlic in here as well at the same time. And about the same amount, like a tablespoon of garlic if you fancy it. The onion, which I've sliced. Stay on this high heat, about another 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. Fabulous. Next up, I'm going to add in those bell peppers, but you don't have to be adding this at all, or you could be using something different. And the broccoli, think about mushrooms, carrots, celery, things like that in. This is fantastic. So just use what you have. Add a bit of veg, make yourself a bit more healthy. And then we're going to go a little bit of black pepper. And salt. Now go easy with the salt because we're going to add soy to this, and soy sauce is fairly salty. Another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Beautiful. Okay, we're now going to add in that soy. Like a tablespoon maybe of that. And that's why you need to be careful with your salt that you add, because you don't want to go crazy with the salt and the soy. But you can check that out yourself, can't you? Very simply, we're now going to add in our rice, cooked rice. This has actually got a little bit of give in it. You know, it's kind of a little bit hard still, bit of a bite. 4 minutes, keep it moving. We actually want to fry the rice. If we get a little browning or even blackening on the rice, that's a good thing if you ask me. I'll see you then. You've done it. Absolutely fantastic. Off goes the heat. Really simple. That's beautiful. What else could we add? Maybe some fresh chili in there. And if you want, you could add an egg in there and mix that in, scramble that in. I'm going just like that. Let me get that on the plate. Okay, and there you go. Really, really simple. I love this one. Nice and easy. Beautiful pork fried rice. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.